The blue light's on.
No, but see how much it's gonna cost. Then I'm gonna,
Maybe it's time we got back to the basics of love. Let's go Reichenbach, Texas.
That was just a teaser, man. I want to try and get it done. I'm gonna try and learn it.
They said 900.
But you're recording. All right. Go get a plate, Al. I'm gonna be practicing.
No, I gotta go get it.
Yeah. Dale, I'm gonna practice this.
Okay. Here, hold this for me, will you? Thank you. Damn it.
Live. It's hot. Recording.
Oh, let me get this. Hold on. I have an emergency.
$6.
I have an emergency call.
Is there a lighter up there?
There's a clean one there if you want.
No.
Clean plate.
I'll be right back, boys. Don't tell nobody, all right?
Last me about 2 weeks. If I was using it, it would last me 1 month.
More about
2 weeks.
I remember. Not to glorify, but you know, I see the 5 days.
Let's go. Say hi to the camera. Sit. Just go sit. Shake. Wave hi. Good boy.
Great job, man. I'll fuck you.
How many dogs you got, Mike?
I don't have it.
You don't have no dogs?
I got my own apartment, dude. Rent's already taken care of all that bullshit. 9, I guess.
9 dogs.
It started with the lady.
Wait, what they do? Adopt them?
And then went down to my job. I lost my job. And then went down. Here's a retard for homeless dogs.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. They adopt them.
And then, you know, then they have babies. The devil is real. I'm sitting there, you know, I just lost my job, and I'm sitting, and I'm thinking, what the hell am I going to do? I get a phone call, really? Friend stopped by. Ooh, unwanted friend, you know, and he brings out a big ass sack. What the fuck you do that? Get that fuck out of my apartment. You know, my brother found it. He's going to put me on because, you know, they had some sick stuff. That wasn't really a plan. Well, that's what I'm saying. No, I don't know. Like, I'm get more time for that. My brother put them in I'm not talking about that. They're about 12 years, 16 years old.
Yeah.
Oh. And
they live for a long time.
Whatever learns. And then another growing up, they have, till you go in a little puppy. You say shit, man. Well, I don't know. And my brother said, hey, we don't want to take the dog. Another woman like that. I mean, how long did it take you to adjust when you got that guy?
That's very humane.
Animal lover, yeah. That's all. It brings a man. On the wood pile. That'd be that. I have to, you know, 2 dogs. Chill, you know, even with that. Slow down. You all spray together, kick it, chop it up, you know, fight, whatever y'all do. That's what you should be doing when the dog solo. Yeah, exactly. You know, there's no, you know, instead of your business, right? Instead of your business is only black and white, and Mexican. Even if like next year, you can look at the market, you know. I mean, I'm from Dallas. It always has been that way. Big structure. So good, they're in there. Great, you know, the job is great. You can't. Fuck out. Put 3 on you. I guess you're on camera, buddy. After that, you gotta look at your over here too. Where? Ah! No.
Yeah, a little bit of mosquitoes coming out now.
Hutchins. I didn't go no big you know where Hutchins at, right? Mojo's gone. All together, I'll just bring you a lot. I did most of my time in Redmond. You know, you like to that ever deserved a little crime like that. What I did, they kind of almost forced you to sign it. Because it's either doing the rest of the time in the county, trying to fight something out here. You get tired of it. The county's like hard time, bro. Dallas is 36. San Antonio is 20. Yeah, I think but Dallas is out there. Hey, Daryl. Hey, man, I like to, I just, you know what I told you a while back when I was locked up, I got locked up. Yeah, but, you know, it's nothing to get through tonight, you know. Sometimes my mind flips to that stage. I got more stuff. How you doing, A minor? You hear me? You hear me, girl? A minor. Good, man. Good. I know. We got a leg guard.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I already know.
This one?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Hey, thanks, man.
I've been looking at nothing on that. Big thing
Everything.
Ain't no bug diamond ring.
E5 in 2 years.
Buy some books and jeans and go.
I just can't.
This cold tide choking me.
Better than saying I can't. See, I can't.
Oh yeah, really.
You know what somebody told me the other day? You know what somebody told me the other day? Somebody told me that don't feed yourself bad affirmations, feed yourself good affirmations, and the more you feed yourself good affirmations, the bad affirmations will go away. That means instead of saying what you don't have and what you don't do, what you, I mean, you can keep yourself that kind of shit for the last umpteen years, you know, at least I have.
I lost it, girl. I can tell you Saturday I took out across the road, man. I went downhill
Let's
again.
go look in my Texas, wheeling and wheeling and the floor.
Yeah, I thought. Whatever hard.
And we'll sing songs, sing songs to us crying. Rain, 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 rain. I'm so little but there ain't no reason to pain. Okay, now we got it. Let's go to my Texas, well, the man and the boys. They got the Johnson's fighting like the Hatfield at McCoy. Oh, come on, just my Texas. Come on, just my Texas.
Oh, he's not.
And Thomas and the boys. And Thomas. And what else? What chord? A minor. No pain. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish. Daryl like that one. You like that, Daryl? Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Trying to get rid of Feliz. Pero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm just making them up.
Dirty Daryl.
You stopped that.
You did it, man. Well, how's Brenda doing?
Good job, man. That was fun.
Excelente.